Hello guys, hoping you're having a good time today. I am sure by now, most of you are aware about the new Omicron variant of COVID-19. What do you think about the RT-PCR test? Can it confirm the new Omicron variant infection? Okay, let's dig deeper and find out more about this variant. The Omicron variant of SARS-CoV-2 is seen as a big threat, with the World Health Organization on Sunday assessing the global risk as very high. Initial data has indicated that Omicron could spread faster, and also a greater ability to evade the immune response generated either through prior infection or through vaccine.
Of the highly mutated Omicron variant underlines just how perilous and precarious our situation. We don't yet know whether Omicron is associated with more transmission, more severe disease, more risk of reinfections, or more risk of evading vaccines.
The World Health Organization said one positive thing about this variant that it could be detected in some of the RT-PCR diagnostic tests used across the world, unlike other variants whose presence can be determined only after genetic sequencing. This can speed up detection and control the spread. RT-PCR tests can only confirm whether the person has an infection. They are not designed to determine which particular variant has infected the person. A genome sequencing study has to be done. Not all infected samples are sent for genome sequencing, because it is a slow, complicated and costly process. Only a very small subset of all positive samples are sent for gene analysis.
This variant is a cause for concern, not a cause for panic. It's unlikely that updated vaccinations or boosters are needed to respond to this new variant. We will accelerate their development and deployment with every available tool.
RT-PCR tests look for the presence of some specific identifiers in the genetic material, not the entire gene sequence, of the virus in the human body. Usually 2 or more identifiers are searched to increase the probability of finding a match. If one of the identifiers has mutated, the other one can still return a positive result. Many of the RT-PCR tests look for an identifier in the coronavirus spike protein, the protruded area that allows the virus to enter the human body. If there are mutations in the spike protein, as is the case with the Omicron variant, then there is a possibility that such RT-PCR tests, looking for identifiers, would not recognize the mutation as the identifier and would give a negative result.
The emergence of the Omicron variant should be a wake-up call to the world that vaccine inequality cannot be allowed to continue. Until everyone is vaccinated, everyone will continue to be at risk.
The problem is that Omicron is not the only variant that has mutations in the spike protein. A few others, notably the Alpha variant, also have mutations and could show similar behavior in RT-PCR tests. Dr. R.R. Gangakhedkar, former head of epidemiology at ICMR, said a smart strategy needed to be worked out since it was not possible to send all samples for gene sequencing. He said that in India, it was still the Delta variant that was most prevalent and, therefore, wherever applicable, the diagnostic test laboratories should look out for the missing identifier in the spike protein region, and immediately mark these for gene sequencing. So guys, follow the COVID protocol, wear masks, use sanitizers, keep necessary distance, stay safe, stay healthy and take care. Okay guys, that's it for now. Hoping to see you soon in my next Robocast. Please like, share and subscribe and don't forget to press bell icon. Bye for now.